Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LS. Low mileage 1 owner 2013 Duramax. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 54,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Low mileage 1 owner 2013 Chevy Silverado 4x4 K2500 Duramax. This truck is bone stock and in perfect working order. The Carfax report is certified. And we bought it from a local private party. If you want a truly unmolested Duramax, this is the right truck. Power windows, locks, air, tilt, cruise, factory jake brake, factory trailer brake, tow package, 5th wheel plates for the previous owner's tow hauler and more. Key features include cruise control and stability control.